Good morning, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another video. Today is September 13th, and I am extremely excited to share some information with you guys. So for those that don't know, single mom of two, earning a full-time income online and showing others how to do the same. And what I'm going to talk about is free traffic strategies using Facebook, and not in the way that people normally use Facebook, not posting and spamming to groups and things like that, but a way to just get people attracted to what it is that you are doing or what program you're currently in. I've been able to basically earn a full-time income using different traffic strategies, and I teach people how to do the same. Most people have a business that they love or that they're in, but they are not getting consistent traffic, okay? And that's been a big problem for a lot of people. So I'm just excited because I've been testing some traffic using Facebook for free. I do not run Facebook ads. This is using a free method using your Facebook profile, okay? Your personal Facebook page. And I just want to show you guys some information really quick. So this is my Facebook personal profile, and just 20 hours ago, which was almost one day, and 4 hours would be one full day, I was able to generate 212 likes on this page. Here on the 11th, which was 2 days ago, 209 likes, 71 comments, 5 shares, and here a total of 370 likes and 96 comments. And on this one, 224 likes and 47 comments. So for those that don't know, when you have a lot of engagement and you have a lot of people that are liking and commenting on your posts, it just generates more people to you, which means more leads, more traffic, more commissions for your business. And what I'm going to do is show people how to do this, okay? So if you're interested in learning about this and how to use this, the method that I'm using for Facebook, feel free to reach out to me and I will send you the information. There's a lot of people that are not using Facebook the right way. They don't know how to get people to engage in their posts. They don't know how to get people to like what it is that they're providing. They don't know how to give value, and I want to teach people how to do that. So if you're interested in learning how to, get 5,000 friends, which means a ton of eyeballs looking at your opportunity, okay, I'm going to teach you how to do that. My information will be in the description below. Also, I'm going to just show you really quick some proof. I wasn't going to get into this, but I'm going to go ahead and pull it up for you. But so far for this year, and using free and paid methods, okay, but mostly free methods. I'm logging into my authorized.net account. I'm going to just show you guys like where I'm at so far for the year, and we still have like 4 months left for the year. Okay, so go right in here to my transaction statistics. What I have here, we're going to just go down to April and run my report. That's my name there. I'm currently at, I have no chargebacks, which is amazing, none. Okay, and I'm at about 197,000 in payments, just promoting my information, my program online. And I want to help people do the same. So as you can see, $197,000 for the year. That's my net income. And that's just amazing. I had a little bit of refunds, but that's fine because the amount that I bought in outweighed it by a lot. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how to do this, you want to get involved in my business, the information will be in the description below. If you want to reach out to me to learn how to just earn an extra $300 to $500 a week, that's extremely doable online. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Everyone have an amazing day. Stay inspired for to earn online if that's what you want to do. If you want to work from home, it is extremely possible to do so. Okay, have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.